Yo, what's up? Wait, what's today?
Monday.
Tuesday morning.
Tuesday morning.
Tuesday morning.
Yes, oh, good catch. I was about to rip into the camera thing. Oh, it's really getting Vegas-y in here, yo. I was about to go off. I was about to go off-roading on this if you didn't catch it. Oh, man.
All right, so here's what happened. Here's a recap from yesterday because can't film in the casino.
Oh, man.
Went to the buffet. And B got a bunch of desserts. I think you filmed that.
You got a lot of desserts.
The little plump B. And then after that, blackjack time. And it was the first day. It's the first day, so we didn't want to go too hard. But won $100 each. So wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. That was a good rookie prepared night.
Yeah, it was the first time I ever played blackjack.
Oh, see, there we go.
First timer's luck. Hopefully we can bring that into today.
All came out winners. Now second night, we gotta go hard.
At the entire thing.
Turn.
And then
yeah.
My bad. I'm over here gonna kill us. I'm over here gonna kill us.
We just want to make it the second night.
I'm too excited. I'm too excited. We're being timid. Can't be timid when you're in Vegas.
You can't be scared. You can't be scared.
And then the casino guy with the dealer was hilarious.
Yeah, he was hilarious.
Oh gosh, the dealer was funny.
Yeah, he got pissed at B for celebrating.
He got mad at the B for yelling at him.
What did he say? Like,
oh, come down, come down. It's only 13 bucks.
we are here with Jeff, aka Soupies. Please, Soupies, tell us. This is actually the microphone. Speaking to the mic.
Oh. What is going on?
What are you most excited for today?
Hanging out with you guys, actually.
That's really. We're not excited for that. We just want to hang out. We don't want to learn anything.
Oh, the cloth now. There you go.
That's my son. Every day.
Almost. No.
You get him tired.
There we go.
Influencer.
Oh, who's this? Influencer. That's what they be doing.
What's up? What's up?
They're so sick.
Sick.
You guys from the same garage sale.
Yeah, I bet.
You guys look like the most 90s gang ever.
Watch out, boy. Watch out. You see the highlights coming in, you better
It's so funny. It's awesome.
I like it.
You're gonna get kicked out of this
I agree to be on your YouTube.
Come on.
You gotta sign the consent, or we'll just blow out the face.
Yeah, blur
change the voice.
Just leave the tats.
Put Allie's face on top of my
We just got here yesterday. Hey, how's it going?
Oh, you got your camera rolling?
Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, we got rolling.
Well, you know what? We missed this.
So do it all over again. Redo it.
Redo it.
You're piercing.
What did they do? The check? Cavity check.
Whoa. You know why I always do that? Because I always go like this.
Yeah. Oh, excuse me, sir. What is that?
That's what set it off. Can't jump through the Oh, ding, ding, ding. Wrong. Oh, got caught quick.
Got him. That's the problem with eBay. There's too many rules.
I don't know.
Yeah.
That's why I'm
Seller
an eBay
fees,
seller.
rules.
That's why I'm an eBay seller because
Suspended.
Yeah, suspended.
The swag bag.
Oh, we have to get a shirt.
Can we get our shirts now?
Yeah, just get the shirts now.
What else did we get?
What does the shirt say?
we got a badge, right?
Okay, get a badge.
What do you call this? Merch.
Little tote.
A little tote goodie bag.
Yeah.
And then here, got a eBay open exclusive.
Oh, dang, it took off. Okay, never mind. Go ahead. All right.
Probably stole my bag or something.
eBay open, 18. Let's look at the back.
Did you check eBay?
Did you check eBay?
Got that. Got a water bottle.
Okay.
Stay hydrated.
Yeah, especially when you're working out, hitting the gym.
I'm working out, you know. Get, I guess,
What is that?
maybe for a raffle. Oh, enter a chance to win an awesome prize giveaway. So you get 2 like
Okay.
raffle entries.
Okay.
And oh, we get a power bank. So
Power
we're gonna
bank?
run out of batteries.
There we go. Too many selfies.
Next one, you get a passport. I mean, no, a notebook
Notebook.
or a sketchbook or something like that.
How you guys doing? All right?
How's it going?
What's going
Good to
on?
meet you.
My wife knows you guys.
Hello.
Hey, I'm just a bystander. Told me she's just stalk those guys.
You guys from?
We're in Fort Lauderdale.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, my wife started doing it a year ago, and we put stuff together. She's doing very well. Yeah, very well. Me, I just bring the stuff to the post office. I'm the gopher.
Carlitos Deals.
Carlitos Deals. Carlitos Deals, CEO. Mama said I could.
President and CEO.
President, CEO, entrepreneur. It's on eBay.
New York Times bestseller.
New York Times bestseller. 4 digits on Amazon.
Multi-millionaire. Digital nomad.
Nomad. Entertainer.
Aspiring entrepreneur.
Hiring entrepreneur.
What else? 6-figure seller. 7-figure seller.
8-figure seller.
What else?
On the path to 1 billion.
Join my course.
Join my course, my fitness channel.
The course with the step-by-step secrets to eBay selling.
Step by step.
You're getting all the keywords in there.
Step-by-step secrets that they don't want you to know.
5 facts that eBay doesn't want you to know to succeed.
So I thought I would start by doing something different this year. And instead of doing an ooh and ah presentation, I thought that I would sit down with an amazing eBay seller and have her ask anything that's on her mind or on your mind, and just simply take questions and start the event like that.
Opportunity to sit alongside of Devin, ask him questions that I'm sure all of you want to ask. It's such an honor. I literally jumped on the next flight. I could not wait, and without further ado, Devin, here we go.
The platform while differentiating it and set the company up for the next 21 years of success. And I'm super proud of where we are, you know. I look back after over 3 years and there's things that went incredibly well, there's some things that didn't. But eBay's never been bigger than it is today. It's easy to say it could have done this or it could have done that, but how many internet companies that were born in 1997 are even alive? 5 is the answer. The only reason I don't think it's okay is because we know that buyers were confused. And when buyers are confused, it's not good for anybody in the community. So the constraint that we're putting on returns is not that you have to offer returns. You're free to not offer returns. But there are only a few really meaningful choices. There is 30 or 60 day, there is buyer pays or free. And so start by saying almost the entire e-commerce world is moving to returns on and a simple set of choices.
Ross.
Oh, wow.